Welcome, my name is Yannick Moy and I work at Educore. This is already the third installment of our Find the Bug series. As usual, I will show you a piece of code where I instilled bugs, and I will present the results of our tool CodePeer on this code. Here is the code inside that programming studio. The type features is a discriminated record type, which depends on the mode, defining the current gameplay. There is a single procedure, hourly energy consumption, which computes, guess what, an hourly energy consumption with the current features. If you want to try to find the bugs by code review, just pause now and go to our website www.educore.com. Otherwise, let's call CodePeer on this code. It returns in a few seconds with a summary of the problems found. Here, it reports two high-ranked warnings. In the first warning, CodePeer reports that the code inside the then branch of an if statement is dead, because the test is always false. Indeed, it is the same thing to say that current.mode is different from 7energy than to say that current.mode is greater than or equal to travel fast, which is what the CodePeer says in its message. Now, nothing in the code indicates that current.mode should be different from 7energy at this point. So let's examine which precondition CodePeer generated for this procedure. There's a precondition that says that current.mode should be different from 7energy even before calling procedure hourly energy consumption. Why so? Well, CodePeer must have detected that something would go wrong if you pass in a record with a discriminant equal to 7energy. Let's see. In the first case statements, execution would proceed with the second case, where we compute the value of lower body movements from the value of current at max velocity. But wait, field max velocity is not defined for discriminant 7energy. There's a bug. Let's do something correct in this case. Let's do nothing, in fact. We can immediately rerun CodePeer on this code to check that this warning has indeed disappeared. This is the case. In the remaining warning, CodePeer reports that current.fallback.mode is uninitialized at this point. Indeed, execution reaches this line only when the test on the line above fails, which means that current.fallback is null at this point. Then, of course, CodePeer considers that current.fallback.mode is uninitialized. This is because the else operator here was used by mistake instead of the and then operator. Let's correct that. Let's now rerun CodePeer on the corrected code. Well done! We got no more warnings this time. At least no more high and medium warnings. As a bonus, let's look at the remaining low error. It states that either current should not be constrained or else current.fallback had better have the same discriminant as current for the assignment. In this case, we would like to allow arbitrary fallback modes, so we should only pass in parameter unconstrained variables. There is a simple way to do that, which is to add a pragma precondition to procedure hourly energy consumption. Let's run CodePeer for the last time. We got no more warnings at all. If you enjoyed this demo, please go see on our website www.educore.com what else CodePeer can do for you. Thanks.